Hello and namaskar to all dear NEET aspirants. I am Zoology faculty and NEET expert. If you are revising Zoology, then start with the chapters like biotechnology, human reproduction, structural organization in animals, and evolution, because from these chapters you would find average 4 to 5 questions were asked in previous years. In addition to this, while revision also emphasis on those points on which students generally get confused. Let me explain you with an example. In human reproduction, the one of the most vetted topic is the menstrual cycle, to be precise, and which students mostly confused between proliferative and follicular phases, though which are written together in menstrual cycle diagram of NCERT, but actually these two processes are quite different and occurring at two different locations as well. Proliferative phase is occurring in uterus, where thickening of endometrium lining of uterus is going on, while follicular phase running parallel to the proliferative phase but happening in ovary and maturing the ovarian follicle. So this simple but important concept may confuse the students. Therefore, while revising and going in FTS, ensure to clear all such concepts very carefully.
When you are preparing or answering the questions in animal kingdom like chapters, your focus should be on specific words like odd one, incorrect, exclusive characters, and economic importance, etc. For example, if you are answering a question on insects, in the question, economic importance means you should not confuse whether it is useful character or harmful character of those insects. Economic importance means both the group of organisms will come.
There is some important keywords given in NCERT like exclusively marine. So we can take an example: Ctenophora, Hemichordata, Echinodermata, Protochordates. They are exclusively marine. Remember this. Pisces is super class. Don't get confused by class, phylum or anything. It is super class. The another important unit is human physiology. 12 to 14 questions. Human physiology will take an example of one chapter, which is breathing and its exchange of gases. Now here, remember the factors which are responsible for right and left shift of oxygen dissociation curve. In all the factor, I would request you to remember the pH factor a lot, because increase in pH will move the ODC, that is oxygen dissociation curve, to left, and decrease in pH will cause it shift to right. Now remember it, increase in pH, that means decrease in H plus level. Increase in H plus level, that means decrease in pH. Remember, this is very important. Now the key areas to focus on biotechnology is RNAi. RNAi, you just remember that there is an introduction of DNA in the host plant in such a way that it produces sense and antisense RNA. RNAi is a post-transcriptional gene silencing method. Focus on post-transcriptional. Another important point is gel electrophoresis. Frequently asked questions from this topic. You remember that DNA is negatively charged. It is placed on cathode and it moves towards anode. Student, remember, smaller the size, farther it moves. Student, remember, insertional inactivation is the introduction of gene of interest in antibiotic resistance gene. So it inactivate the antibiotic resistance gene instead of antibiotic, which is necessary to maintain a septic condition. I am wishing you all the best for NEET